Would I recommend ServiceChannel? I do it all the time with my peers, with almost anyone I talk to that's in retail. My name is Alan Donahoe. I'm the Director of Store Planning Preservation. When I first moved to store planning within Louis Vuitton, we really had nothing. Basically use spreadsheets or emails or whatever scraps of paper that's to get repairs done. And we knew that there was likely something out there that could do a much better job than that. When we met with ServiceChannel, we knew that this was the right solution. And then for our CEO, she just loved the fact that our stores had one place to go to get everything taken care of. To her, it was a slam dunk. The biggest impact to our team using ServiceChannel is consistency within what we do, that we have that vendor information to be able to work with each of our vendors. There are plenty of national vendors out there, but at this point with the team that I have, having a national vendor is not always the best solution. So finding a local plumber that can do all of our Houston area stores, or finding one HVAC person that just does a specific area has been very key to us in using the search. Analytics, there's nothing I can't know about in the analytics. If you can build reports in there, there's literally nothing that's impossible to find. It's just so dynamic to be able to use. To help us build our stores better, to give to the engineers or the architects for a store that's being built ideas of, well, this store we have these issues, and to be able to tell them even the time of year when we have the issues, to help them build the store better, to provide a better client experience and a better experience for our store teams that work in there. Our CFO to this day thinks it's the cream of the crop. We just recently added budget insights, and it's cool. We know real time where our spend is, which we never had before. With how many tickets we received, there's no way we could have done that manually. To have the system now doing it automatically with literally every ticket, I don't think anyone thought that was possible. It's going to make our lives so much better. Our favorites are, one would be Decision Engine, be able to just look at a proposal and just see that it looks good, go ahead and use it, or red, or go in and see why. I can't tell you how much time that saves. Plan maintenance to us is a lifesaver because we don't have to create those tickets every week, every month, every year. They automatically go out to our vendors and automatically get fulfilled. You can't budget on what you don't know what's going to happen, but you can budget on what you know is going to happen. So that's why the plan maintenance is important to us. The reporting in ServiceChannel was beyond what we had available via our finance system at the time. So they don't ever want to leave ServiceChannel because of the reporting that we get. With a good partnership, you can get almost anything done. And that's what I loved about ServiceChannel. Well, I actually still love about ServiceChannel. From day one, it was a true partnership. There's never a day that I don't think you guys are a true partner. ServiceChannel was a great experience that basically has helped us become what I believe to be the best in the industry of what we do.